Hey guys, Darren with American Pool and Spa, and welcome back to the final stages of our Radiant True L pool build. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. Just wanted to come to you on this and show you the final phase of this pool build of the Radiant True L. If you watched the previous episodes, you saw that when we were digging about right in this area, which was about the third or fourth scoop with our excavator, we did hit septic lines. You know, we did have the drawings, and with the customer and also with ourselves, we did look to see where those lines were. We thought they were running one way. We quickly found out that they were in a different location. We actually hit them. So between the customer and ourselves, and using our resources and the people that we know, we had them come out, help us with the septic systems to try to find out through the Richmond Health Department. They were able to come and probe, and were wonderful to deal with. They showed us where everything was running. They were running all the way. If you can see the fence behind me, they were running all the way to the fence. They were running about 200 feet, so it was a long line. So with their help, we were able to figure out exactly what to do with the lines, talking with the customers as well too of some different scenarios of what they could do. So with this, going back to the exciting part of it as well, is that with this, the customer actually made a drawing and we turned it in to Radiant. They made this pool look amazing. The customers wanted this huge tanning ledge here, and they wanted the steps to come around, because with steps, he said that with him and his family, they always seemed like once they went into a pool, everybody wanted to hang out with the steps, you know, be in the water but not be fully in the water, and then you could get out and swim. So with this is actually a 22 by 44 pool, which is a very good sized pool. So as you can see, also you have the two colors of the concrete here. You have the main patio of it, and then you have the inside and outside borders, which not seeing a lot of pools like that. With this customer, he had enough room to be able to do that, and I think it looks wonderful to give it the contrast from the outside to the inside border. Because back here, as you'll see, the customer has had a brick wall, well, had a concrete wall that was outlined in brick to match the house and everything. It looks beautiful. It's got outside lighting. It's got a fire pit over there, and so as you can see, the project for the pool side is done. The customers have been using it and loving it. I do know that when we actually got it done, got the liner in, the customers and the kids were out here at 8 o'clock in the morning swimming, and they've loved it ever since. So once again, Darren with American Pool and Spa. If you have a vision for your backyard and want to have your oasis in your backyard, you know, I mean, just look at it. These customers come out and it's wonderful. And so if you have that vision, have any questions, hey, definitely give us a call, because once again, we're #pool guys, and always leave it to us. Just swim and relax. Thank you.